Hello and welcome to Raflimts. This is Farooq Hossain, and today I'm not going to upload any video because I'm very much busy in one of the greatest events of Karachi, Pakistan. That's actually the PLC Fourth Convention 2020, which will be held on February 28 to 29, 2020 at the Arts Auditorium, University of Karachi with the collaboration of national and international partners, for example, IFLA, the International Federation of Library Association, the Goethe Institute, the Pakistan Library Club itself, the University of Karachi, Slims Community Pakistan, and the Association of Information Science and Technology. And there's one more partner, it's not mentioned in this poster, but I know that the Koha Community Pakistan. So the theme of this convention is library is the agent of social change. By the way, you have read my article. Make changes. Make changes about the Koha implementation program. That's actually, recently published in Library Philosophy and Practice e-journal. So you must read that article. It's about the Koha implementation program in Pakistan. So the PLC convention is actually like the Raflimts PLC convention is actually a unique platform to present your research, ideas, thoughts about the library and information science. So the theme of this convention will be information advocacy through librarians, changing role of libraries in digital age, the role of librarians to control fake news, modern information trends, opportunities and challenges in libraries. Libraries are the learning hub, open access content, digital scholarship and scholarly community, and the social media roles in libraries, research trends in LIS, Library Information Science, lifelong learning through libraries, community and social development through libraries. So you for registration you can contact these guys, Miss Nahid Rahim. Her email address is available for Karachi, and for Karachi you can contact Mr. Khurram Parvez. His cell number and the email address is available. For Larkana you can contact Mumtaz. For Islamabad you can contact Amir Latif. For Peshawar you can contact Tahir Jan. For Multan you can contact Ghaznfar, and you can contact Hussein. Uh, it's Pakistan wide. In fact, it's international wide. So you can come and you must participate in this convention. And if you have not submit your proposal, if you're participating as a speaker or you have not submitted your proposal because the date has passed, it's 5th February, but still you can contact this guy Arshad Mahmood Sahab for if you're participating as a speaker. I have submitted my proposal there and I'm participating as a speaker. And the registration, if you have not registered, go hurry, must hurry. It's 15 Feb for early bird. It's 2000 for early bird registration. For registration of PLC life members, students and volunteer, you have to pay 1500. For registration on spot is also available, but you have to pay more, 2500. Foreigners only US dollar 50. So must attend this, must participate in this convention. It's one of the greatest events in the history of librarianship in Pakistan, inshallah. So and my next video is about the installing Koha ILS integrated library system with the configuration of Koha web installer and onboarding tools by me, Farooq Hussain. So you must watch this video. It will be uploaded on 20th Feb because I'm very much busy in this convention. 20th Feb 2020 at 8:30 p.m. So you must join Raflimts and you must participate in the PLC convention. Thank you very much. You're watching Raflimt. This is Farooq Hussain. You take care.